Today is Thursday, September 24th, and I am getting ready to do a makeover of my patio. I have had these up here for a very long time, and I do like them. I may end up spray painting them, I'm not sure yet. Up here, this is a hot mess, embarrassing mess. First of all, the cords and everything, I may not be able to do anything about that. But the little blue tape that has to go, and all this needs a pressure washing or a paint job or something. The fan is fine. I have these floor mats that I purchased from Aldi. I have 3 of them because we had a dog. Speaking of dog, you hear in the background barking. We had a dog that when we came out on the screen porch, he just barked, and it was just like if he didn't see us, then it didn't happen as much. But now that particular dog is gone. Hallelujah. I'm gonna try to go ahead and have these taken down so I can see my beautiful garden. All this dirt, that's particularly why this beautiful rug is so filthy. It's because I'm trying to do too much in this little space, and I want to just use it as a seating area instead of a potting up, seating, barbecue pit, you know, all this stuff that is just making this space look junky. I have a new patio set. I had a set sitting out here. I have thus sold it to someone on Marketplace. I want this to be a room that I enjoy coming out in. Okay, I am at a point of stopping for today. I have a lot that I got accomplished. These are the things that I'm going to keep because I have lots of elephant ears, and I have to pull them up and pot them up later on. I'm debating on if I want to keep this fountain. These plants are indoor plants, so I gotta get them prepared to go inside. And this stuff is all going away except for the compost pail and the tables over there. And these iron pieces here, they've been here forever. Out with the old and with the new. So this is where I am at this point, and so far so good. So far I've added some pieces. I am going to keep those 3 floor mats on the screens up there because it is giving me a great sense of privacy, which I want to keep. I've added wicker chest. I love it. I got this from Marketplace. It's a nice deep trunk. So I plan on either putting pillows in there just for storage. I'm going to use this trunk as a coffee table as well. I purchased this at one of our local shops here in town. Okay, this thing I am going to put up here. Right on this hook. That's the plan, is to put it up there and make it actually look like a window. My fountain is going to remain there. This table I got as well off of Marketplace, and I got to do some work on it. You know, I just wanted something that I could sit down to if I wanted to come out here with my laptop, or if I wanted to come out here and eat. And another thing that I purchased, a vintage magazine rack. I thought it was very, very cute. So I did a lot of cleaning up here. I cleaned this grill up here, was just practically black, but oh my gosh, what a difference it made. And then I sprayed bleach on these areas here, along here. I am pleased so far. I am getting ready to remove the paint on this table that is loose, and I'm using this paint scraper, but I know the top does, and little areas like this needs to be painted. I'm also doing the same thing to this table, just removing the paint that is peeling. I am spray painting this table, and I am using this Krylon Fusion all-in-one satin white. And what's neat is this sprayer, and you just pull the trigger and start spraying. I think it's the neatest thing because it makes this job really easy. So I'm going to finish this off camera. I have also started using this brush on this piece of furniture. This is a trough for my plants, and it has a lot of loose paint. Someone painted it, and it's easy to use this brush just to remove the paint. So I'm going through and doing that. So I will do the majority of it off camera. I just wanted to show you what I am doing with this piece of furniture as well. Today is September 28th, and I have made over my screen porch, and I am very excited to share it with you today. I have a new couch, I have a new table, I have a new coffee table, which is a trunk, and I have a new rocker and another rocker and another table in between. Also over here, a new table and chair. Also have a planter that came along with the wicker set. I put this little window up there. I thought it was nice and cozy, cute. This wicker set was from Marketplace, one of my favorite places to shop. There was a lady that had it in her condo in a room that she never went into, but she said that this had been in the family. It was a 1920s wicker set, and it is in pristine shape, and I believe it was because she had it up in her room. And it just was never out in the elements. It came with the couch. It came with, like I said, 2 tables and this little small rocker. I added another rocker because this rocker, I love it, but it's a little short, and my husband likes that one, so I wanted a bigger one. And this pillow I found, Porch, Sweet Porch. Oh, it was perfect. I had to have it. And I found this print. I love black and white, but now I did have this little side table. I just spray painted it white and have my orchid sitting on it. Oh, I forgot this little basket. Now these I found at Goodwill for $1 each. So I have lettuce, black-seeded Simpson, which is my favorite lettuce ever. Peas. These are from American Seed Company. And the other one is carrots. I thought they were so cute, and it's made of metal. It's a metal piece. Now, we are in September, and I know this is the time that people are normally putting up their porch stuff, but I did not want to do that just yet. The fall is the time where me and my husband really come out and enjoy our space. And we can really do that without bugs. So yeah, these panels really give me the privacy, the privacy that we enjoy. And we can just come out here and nobody ever has to see us. We can just sit and enjoy. So I'm going to cover all of this with tarp and take my pillows in and make sure it stays nice for the season. So I just wanted to share because I am excited. It took a little bit for me to clean this area. It was a mess, but now it looks refreshed. But yeah, this is my patio screen porch sitting area. Thought I would share. Thanks for watching.